we had urged the Government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The fourth issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and Government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states, and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through so that necessary amendments can be made to the 6th schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the fourth issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that Government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work that they're doing, including the assets that are there that these different associations and organizations they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister.